Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So today's our video is going to be on the Bharat in Germany course. As you all know, I am the student of that course, so I am going to review and want to clear some of the doubt of the student which I got on my Instagram. Many students have doubt and they want to join that course, so that's why I am making this video and giving you a brief review on that course, as I have used that course since last 6 months. And yes, okay, so let's get started and let me take to you the course. So this is how your course online course portal will going to be. So as you can see, I will like to say the question many of the students ask me, that is the course worth buying? Yes, it's 110% worth. It will give you a much more knowledge than anywhere else. As if you have seen my all videos which I have uploaded earlier in the playlist how to apply in a German public university, then you can know I have explained some very deep knowledge, very deep criterias there in the videos. So those are only the 10 or 20% deep points from the course. You will get much more in the course as per your conditions. I have explained those as per my experience, but by joining the course you will get much more knowledge about that course. So the course is not only for masters or bachelors, it is for all three in which you wanna apply. For example, you are applying in a bachelor and then you want to pursue master or PhD, then the course is still useful for you, and the access for the course is lifetime. So that's the main benefit of this course. It is going to be yours for lifetime. It is not going to be invalid or end in a 1 or 2 years. So that's the main point. Another thing, the content of the course is much better than anywhere else on the internet. You will get all the things at one place. You don't need to go anywhere else. And after completing the course, or after watching all the videos of the course related to your case, you will find that you don't need any consultancy. You don't need to spend money. It will save your time, it will give you flexibility and everything. So let me show you the content of the course. So first they will give you a brief information. There are some rules and regulation about the course, and then there will be a brief introduction about the Germany and how you will be compatible for it. Then there are 3 sections. First one is for bachelor, in which the complete process is shown for the bachelor aspirants. Then it will be the master. Most of the students will come under this section, and yes, everything is explained very deeply. So very deeply. So the first topic will be the self profile evaluation. Here you can check your data from the last 3-4 years, and you can compare your profile to know what is the actual condition that you can get admits, how you should prepare, what you all need, work experience or research work, everything. Then most of the students have doubt that they have done diploma and then 3-year bachelor, so that case is also explained here. 4-year bachelor case explained here, and then diploma plus bachelor, the case which I am talking about. So everything is explained here. The ECTS, the course is made after the consideration of almost 99% cases of the students from India or all over the world. So it will going to be super beneficial for you to gain knowledge and to apply in a strategic way, in a right direction. So I will recommend you, if you are planning to buy, then don't wait, just buy it, and it will help you in your full process till coming to the Germany. Not up to coming to the Germany, but after coming to the Germany also. So after all this, there is also section for PhD. If you are interested in PhD, then in future after your masters or after some years, it will also going to help you in guiding the PhD process. And then visa process is also properly explained here about all block account and all. Then the thing I am talking about processes after arrival. So consultancies will not going to provide you these things, that after coming to the Germany you need to enroll, you need to do a city registration, you need to apply for a residence permit. Everything is explained here also in a very good manner. After that, short information is also giving on the part-time job for students here, that how you should go to the part-time job, or you can take their how to find job course if you wanna dig in deeper in the job sector. I have also taken those courses, the course from the finding jobs and the freelancing. I have taken both courses and they are also very good courses. I want to mention here that this is not a sponsor or any promotional video. I am making this video just only because many students have messaged me a same question, that is the course worth buying. That's why I'm explaining in detail, because it is not possible for me to give answer to each person again and again the same answer. So that's why I'm making this video, so that you can get idea about the course. And I will again and again recommend you, if you are financially stable, then you should go for this course. This is 110% worth. So after that, the finding part-time job, a brief idea about the part-time jobs. There is a section organize your first semester, in which the Bharat has guided you about the university portals, the habit of the calendar, which is very important in the Germany. And then they have also given an idea about the permanent residency and citizenship. So this course is not only till your application, it will cover all the important topics which you need to know after coming to the Germany. After that, there is a section on the German language workshops, and there is a training and workshop on SOP, LOR, CV, and everything is covered. You can pause the video and read out these sections. So everything is covered. It is not only up to the application. After that, they have on every second Monday a live session on the Facebook group for the enrolled student. There is a separate Facebook group for the enrolled student, and there is a live session where you can ask your doubts and they review your documents there also. You can also clear your doubts by sending them via email. If they think that they need to make a video for your doubt, they make a video and email you that video. So it's quite interactive way, and it is good. They will solve your query as soon as possible. Sometimes I have resolved my query within 15 minutes also, but sometimes it is not possible to answer at the same moment. So within 24 to 48 hours they reply you for your query. So there is no doubt in their customer service. So I will suggest you can go without a second thought. My experience was very good with them, so that's why I can recommend you. And you can also talk to the Bharat about your any queries. He will always helpful. So I hope you get the idea about the course, what the course is, what the benefit of the course is. So I hope it may help you. So thank you very much for watching our video, and if you have not subscribed yet, kindly please subscribe our channel. There is a lot more upcoming interesting content I am going to publish on this channel about the survival in Germany, from cooking to other things. So I will request you all to subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you very much again for watching our video. I hope it will help you, and it will help you in taking a better decision. See you in our next video.